Yo, what's up, guys? It's been a very long time since I've uploaded. I want to tell you something I'm working on, and yeah, I wanna start my own acting career. Yeah, I'm still working on it right now, and yeah, I wanna be an actor. Yeah, do you guys think I should post some trying to be an actor series on this channel? Or make my own demo reel to show y'all how good of an actor I am right now. I've been practicing for I think a few days or a week. I don't know. But yeah. Anyway, hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. And yeah, it's been Rian. See you guys in the next video.